दोस्तों कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के लास्ट फेज में आपको वो 7 सवाल करवाना चाहूँगा जो कि हमारे एनडीए में पूछे गए हैं और बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टाइप क्वेश्चन है, वो मैं आपको करना चाहूँगा। सबसे पहले मैं वो सवाल करना चाहूँगा जो कि आपको मैं रिवाइज करवाना चाहता हूँ और चाहता हूँ कि आप उनको पढ़ें और लिखें और वो बेस करते हैं डिमार्च थ्योरम पे, वो बात करूँगा। मैं 7 सवाल करूँगा, नॉट मोर देन 7। बने रहिए, 7 सवाल आपको बर्दाश्त करने पड़ेंगे। ये कुछ नए सवाल हैं, ये आपके साथ मैं करना चाहूँगा। आइए सवाल करते हैं। पहला तो सवाल किसके बेस पे है? वो डिमार्च थ्योरम के बेस पे है, डिमार्च थ्योरम के बेस पे है और ये थ्योरम के बेस पे। व्हाट इट सेज इज, क्या कहती है ये वाला, cos थीटा प्लस आयोटा साइन थीटा raised to the power n is equal to cos n theta plus iota sin n theta. Number one, यहाँ पर cos थीटा होना चाहिए और यहाँ पर sin थीटा होना। cos थीटा प्लस आयोटा प्लस की जगह माइनस हो तो क्या आंसर आएगा? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? वेल फ्रेंड, दिस इज इक्वल टू cos माइनस थीटा प्लस आयोटा इंटू sin माइनस थीटा कर लेते हैं, ऐसे कर लेते हैं। इसको माइनस को हटाने के लिए cos तो सेम रहता है, इज इक्वल टू cos माइनस n थीटा which is equal to plus and minus iota into sin minus theta is equal to this. This hold true in case of minus also, hold true in case of plus only. दोनों को जोड़ दें हम, cos theta plus iota sin theta raised to the power n plus cos theta minus iota sin theta raised to the power n. So this will cancel and you get twice of cos n theta. This is purely imaginary, purely real. And when you subtract these one, this will be purely, what will be pure difference of this minus this is equal to twice of iota sin n theta. If you take the minus cos theta plus iota sin theta raised to the power n minus cos theta minus iota sin theta raised to the power n is equal to 2 iota sin n. Then it is purely imaginary. Okay, this type of question has been asked in the NDA using Dimar's theorem. So I am going to tell now this type of question dealing with this. First of all, question dealing with Dimar's theorem I am going to tell. First of all, which question has been asked, I will be just telling you. My first question is, there are four questions based on this and I will be doing that. Let's see. My first question is under root 3 by 2 plus under root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 iota raised to the power 107 plus under root 3 by 2 minus iota raised to the power 107 is equal to, what is this equal to? Friend, 107. What is this equal to? Same thing, their complex number is conjugate. I said cos theta plus iota sin theta, this is this, raised to power 7. What this equal to? He says answers are 1 by 2, the choices are 0, B 1 by 2, C is equal to under root 3 by 2, D is equal to under root 3, or like that one. So let me write first cos, this is equal to cos pi by 6 plus iota into sin pi by 6, okay, raised to power 107. Okay, when I add it, it will be twice of cos pi by 6 into 107, n here, n theta, plus में dash thing, you should know. This is equal to 107, 6 by pi, divide करते हैं, 6, 4, okay, 7, 17 pi plus 5 pi by 6. I got pi plus 2 pi, 16 means 16 pi goes, pi plus 5 pi by 6 is equal to cos a 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Minus cos is equal to twice of this. This is equal to minus cos pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus is equal to cos pi by 6. Cos by 6 is under root 3 by 2. And therefore twice of under root by 3 is under root 3. And therefore answer is equal to D. We use the question. De Morgan's theorem we are using. You are not knowing, you are not done in your 11th class or 12th class your De Morgan's theorem to be used in this case. So here it is. This was the first question that I want to do. My next question that on depend. This was asked in 2014. This is the question is. I am not giving you much time. I am just taking your what is this value of this? What is the real part of this? He said the question asked us, what is the real part of it? What is the real part? Okay, this I changed in the form of जो हमारी थ्योरम है उसके अनुसार उसको चेंज करेंगे. This is this one. I said the real part is equal to twice of cos of pi by 2 minus x multiplied by 3. This is equal to 2 into cos 3 pi by 2 minus 3x. This is 3 by 2 goes to the 270 minus theta cos it is equal to sine is a minus sine 3x. That is the answer. The real part and twice of it minus twice of real part of. Find the real part of the question was asked. Find the real part of this. This is the answer. Real part is the twice of this equal to this. Minus 5 by 2 here. This is equal to 3 pi by 2. This is the real part is equal to. My next question is based on De Morgan's theorem itself. De Morgan's theorem says what is the real part is they want here. Question is what this expression sin pi by 6 plus iota into 1 cos pi by 6 divided by sin pi by 6 and minus iota 1 minus cos pi by 6 raised to the power 3 is equal to. That's my question. That's my question to go. This is my one question. Next question. Choices are 1, B, minus 1, C, iota, D, minus iota. Well, here it is. Well, here is sine, here 1 minus, whenever you remember, this is 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus 1 plus cos 2 theta का formula हमारे पास है. That we all exactly remember. When we come up, this is this one. This means it can 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Okay. And when this is sin square theta, I can sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta and cos theta. So let's change it. Sin pi by 6 plus iota into 1. Let's simplify this. This is equal to 2 sin pi by 12 and cos pi by 12 plus iota 2 sin square pi by 6 12. Then 2 into sin pi by 12 common, and so will be common in denominator. Cos pi by 12 plus iota into sin pi by 12. Okay, the change will be, this will be common denominator. Denominator will come only cos pi by, this is only minus sign here, raised to the power 3. So multiply by 3, 4 here, 4 here. This is all. So what I got on the top is equal to 1 over under root 2. Let me write down here. Let me, when you finish it off, let's down here. Then finally I got, when you multiply, this is here it is. It's equal to 1 over under root 2 plus 1 over under root 2 iota, 1 over under root 2 plus 1 over under root 2 iota with minus sign, less 1 plus iota, 1 minus iota. You remember very well this is equal to iota. You remember very well. Let's revise 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota. Okay, multiply 1 minus 2 is 1 plus iota square plus 2 iota divided by 2. How does it cancel 2? This iota. Remember this, we have done question we have done one question, that one, and I'll be doing one question continuously here. What is the least positive integer to make it 1? So answer was 4, because this is equal to iota. We have done this question earlier. So this is the question we found using Revi's theorem and using 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota here. Let me do the question based on this, which was asked in one of the examinations. What is the value of 1 plus iota raised to the power 4n plus 5 and 1 minus iota raised to the power 4n plus 3? What is this equal to? 2 iota minus 2 iota, and d is equal to what? Iota. Find this answer. Well, friend, we have just learned. This is what we learned here. 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota, just I said 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota is equal to iota, and raised to the power 4. If I make raised to the power 4, 1 plus iota shortcut, 4n plus 4 into 1 plus iota left here, raised to power 5. I made it 1 minus iota raised to power 4n plus 4. Let me make multiply by 1 minus iota. Okay, this is equal to iota. Power 4 is equal to 1. This is equal to 1 minus iota square. What is iota square? Is equal to 2. So answer is equal. Quickly we do the answer. Answer is equal to 2. Looks very difficult to do, but we found that a simple question we found here. So this is one question which I want to do. Let me go to the further one more question that need my explanation, need my help, or that my last two questions now. Let's bear with me, go with me. The last two questions which seems to be difficult. If z is a complex number, satisfying z minus 4 upon z minus 8 is equal to 1, and modulus of z minus 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Find z. Okay. Choices are 6 plus 0 iota, B 6 minus iota, D 6 plus 2 iota, D none of these. Let me do this question. This is the Then I got one more question last to do. That is my last question. Rest of the question I have done in my other videos. You can go through this question. X plus iota y minus 4 modulus is equal to x plus iota y minus 8 modulus is x minus 4 square plus y square is equal to x minus 8 square plus y square cancels. This is equal to this x minus 4 whole square minus x minus 8 whole square is equal to 0. It's x minus 4 plus x minus 8 and minus 4 plus 4 0. Cancel. 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to, I found x is equal to 6. This is from this equation we found x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Okay, x is equal to 6. We found this is 1 here. 2 into modulus of z is equal to 3 into modulus of z minus 2. 2 into under root of x square plus y square is equal to 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus y square under the root 3. Scaling both sides. Scaling 4 into x square plus y square is equal to 9 into y square x minus 2 whole square. Put x is equal to 6. 4 into 36 plus 4y square is equal to 9 into 16 plus 9y square. This is 144. This is 144. Cancel. Y is equal to 0. Here is the question. Y is equal to 0. So this is the complex number. He asked what is the modulus of z? Answer is equal to what? 0. What is the argument of z? We want to ask. The answer is 0 because it is a real number. It's a real number. Real number here. That is the point. Real number. He asked the real number. And what is the modulus of, suppose this is the condition, z minus 5 upon z plus 5. Okay, this is equal to 1 upon 11. That's the answer. So you can ask question. This has been asked in NDA, this type of. Don't worry, just start, put exit control, simplify modulus, you will find the question. These, on basis of this, there were 2 questions in 2014. My last question, friends, that if I do the last question, here it is. My last question is, I write down if a point Z1 is equal to 1 plus iota is the reflection of a point Z2 x plus iota y in the line Z bar into iota minus iota into z is equal to 5, then Z2 is equal to what? Choices are 1 plus 4 iota, B 4 plus iota, C 1 minus iota, and D is equal to minus 1 minus iota. Well, friend, first of all, let's understand this question. This question has been asked. This is my last question. My last question for complex number. I will not do any video on complex number. Go through the basic from 1 to the last one. Go to revise this question. You are going to get 4 or 5 questions based on complex number. So very important. So go with it. If you got anything to ask, kindly just convey on my WhatsApp number. My number is 931393. Just call on the WhatsApp number. Just send a message. I will be answering your questions. This is here. This is a complex number. This I am going to do. Here I go. First of all, I want to do what reflection about the line. What the reflection is? Suppose the line reflection. Reflection means that my reflection is coming on the board. Reflection here is suppose one line. The one line, suppose this is one line. The point here. What is the reflection of this on the point is? This will be perpendicular and distance from here to here. There are 2 conditions satisfied. Number 1, the line joining the point and the image that will go perpendicular to the mirror surface, shining surface. And secondly, distance from the mirror is same. The law of reflection is there. Law of reflection. These are 2 laws of reflection we are using. So friend, which is the line? Let's simplify the line. This is iota into x minus iota y minus iota into x plus iota y is equal to 5. Iota x minus iota square plus y minus iota x minus iota square. This is equal to iota square minus iota square y is equal to 5. Iota square plus 5. This is equal to. This is iota square. So minus iota, just cancel. Plus 1, 2y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 by 2. Friend, this line, this is equal to y is equal to 0 x-axis. Y by 5 is this line. And this point is where this point is 1, 1. 1 point is here. This is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. What is 1, 1? This is 2.5. This point is 1, 1 here. 1, 1 here. So the reflection of this will be here. Reflection here. This is a reflection. Reflection of this will be here in that case. Well, friend, this is a reflection on the line y is equal to 5x. Whatever that, the answer of this 5, the middle point of this will be lying on this. Middle point lying on this means middle point. What is this point is equal to 1, 4. This is not the answer. This is equal to 4 and 1. Middle point is not here. This is equal to answer 5 by 2 होना चाहिए यहाँ पर. This is equal to 1 और यहाँ पर 5 जो भी point होगा उसका यहाँ 5 by 2 y होना चाहिए. Okay, this is equal to 1 or minus 1, so minus 1 and 1 no. The wrong answer. मेरा y ये रहा minus 1 or minus 1. If the reflection of this must be Let me do right again. There is some confusion. I don't know what was the choice. This choice was 1 minus I 4 plus iota. 4 plus I. Choice, my friends, I said this line is equal to y is equal to 5 by 2, which is parallel to x-axis. I have to do this one. This is a reflection. This point z1 is equal to 1 1. इसका रिफ्लेक्शन है y is equal to 5 by 2 पे. तो जो पॉइंट यहाँ होगा उतना यहाँ पर होगा. यहाँ पर जो भी कोऑर्डिनेट होगा इस लाइन का मिडिल पॉइंट होगा उसका 5 by 2 होगा. तो मेरे कौन कौन से चॉइस हैं 1 और 4. 1 और 4, 1 और 4. So my here this is 1 by 4, 1 or 5. Okay, 5 by 2. 4 or 1. Answer 1 or 1 and 1 no. Minus 1 no. Minus 1 no. So मेरा आंसर रहेगा 1 और 4 आयोटा. मुझे एक कंसेप्ट चाहिए. दोबारा बता रहा हूँ. Before I end up my point, I must see this point refers 1 4. This refers 4 1. I'm taking a trick of this. I'm not finding the question. I'm not finding the question. This is 5 by 2. This is a 5 by 2. Why? जो भी पॉइंट होगा इसका उसका एक कोई भी कोऑर्डिनेट होगा y कोऑर्डिनेट 5 by 2 होगा. मेरा 1 1 का रिफ्लेक्शन आया है. ये रिफ्लेक्शन है. जो भी इसका पॉइंट होगा इसका जोड़ जो होके मिड पॉइंट जो होगा 5 by 2 आना चाहिए. ये रहा 1 4 1 4 1 plus 4 5 by 2. 1 and 1 not answer. 1 minus 1 not answer. 1 1. So only this is the point which qualifies why 1 1 को ज्वाइन करें और 1 4 का मिड पॉइंट क्या होगा. That will be 1 and 5 by 2. That is here. This is the reflection on this. This will be y coordinate will not change. Y coordinate will remain the same. Reflection along the x-axis. When you got a reflection along the x-axis, the y coordinate does not change. This here x and y. X coordinate does not change. Change will be the y coordinate. यहाँ पर x coordinate 1 है तो उस पॉइंट का 1 होगा. तो यहाँ पर this goes. तो आंसर ये और ये था. इन दोनों का जोड़ जो होगा 1 और 1 का वो 5 by 2. That is a reflection question I did, and this was the question asked, and this was the difficult type question which I thought to be there and there. सबसे मुश्किल सवाल मुझे लगा और मैं आपके सामने कर दिया. आपसे अनुरोध अब कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के सवाल करना होगा. मेरा अगला टॉपिक प्रोबेबिलिटी होगा. मेरा अगला टॉपिक प्रोबेबिलिटी के सवाल 4 2 3 आते हैं. मेरा अगला टॉपिक प्रोबेबिलिटी होगा. I'll be doing the probability in my next videos tomorrow onwards. So look forward. All the best for you. The time is very less than 1 month left for now in the ND examination. Over to you. These are the questions which I have done the quadratic equation in my video. Look at the quadratic series, permutation, combination I have done. I have done the vector, solid geometry, and or we have done the complex number, quadratic, complex number, series, permutation, combinations, binomial theorem. This type of algebra I have covered. If you want to pass in the examination, these topics are very vital, and I have done the statistics also in the mean, median, modern, correlation, regression. I have gone through. Kindly, those people who are want to pass NDA, these are the topics you look at. Besides, you got matrix and determinant, I will do it, but easy topic, those who are in 12th class, they have done matrix and determinant very well, no need to revise, but I will ask him 10-20 questions on matrices. Then I will go through the differential equation and differential calculus. And integral, I am talking only definite, no more than that. Trigonometry, I will be not touching. Trigonometry, I don't touch trigonometry, but I will be taking only those topics which will fetch you the good marks. Thank you.